Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use refresh tokens. First, understand that access tokens are like temporary passes, granting you permission for specific actions. They expire quickly for security. Refresh tokens, on the other hand, are long-lived credentials. They act as a key to get new access tokens when the old ones expire, allowing continuous access without needing the user to log in repeatedly. This process significantly improves user experience and maintains strong security. When a user logs in, your application receives both an access token and a refresh token. The access token is used for all subsequent API requests. Once this access token expires, instead of prompting the user to log in again, your application sends the refresh token to the authorization server. The server then validates the refresh token and, if valid, issues a brand new access token and sometimes a new refresh token too, ensuring seamless user experience. To maximize security, always store refresh tokens in a highly secure manner, such as HTTP-only cookies, to prevent cross-site scripting attacks. Implement refresh token rotation, which means issuing a new refresh token with each use and invalidating the old one. This significantly reduces the risk of token compromise. Also, set reasonable expiration times and ensure you can revoke tokens immediately if a user logs out or if any suspicious activity is detected. Implementing refresh tokens typically involves using established protocols like OAuth 2.0 or OpenID Connect, which provide robust frameworks. Consider maintaining a token revocation list on your server to immediately invalidate compromised or logged out tokens. This adds an extra layer of security. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Ultimately, refresh tokens offer a powerful way to balance user convenience with strong security measures, making your application more resilient and user-friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.